So guys, in today's video, I will tell you how you can fix the issue of SOS06 device ban on Snapchat by using simple three methods. So guys, in our first method, you need to log in your Snapchat account in a new device so that you will know is the exact issue in your Snapchat account or in your that device. So as you log in a different device, if your Snapchat account is login in a new device, then friends, that means the exact issue is in your that device, not in your Snapchat account. And friends, in our second method, simply open your browser and search Snapchat SOS06 Aditya again. So as you search, tap on the first website here. And friends, in this website, simply scroll down your page and you will find a option of, for example, older application. Friends, it has been observed quite often on Snapchat that when a user uses a previous or older version of the app, this issue gets resolved. And friends, in our third method, if your phone supports dual applications, you should try creating a dual app of Snapchat and using that, as there's a good chance you wouldn't encounter the issue. And friends, additionally, if you face this issue, try to switch networks, toggle between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or try to move to a different location because this can also fix this issue. And friends, try to update your Snapchat application from your Play Store or App Store. And guys, sometimes the issue is temporary, so try to wait at least 24 hours to 48 hours, because sometimes if you are facing the SOS06 issue and if it is temporary, then the issue will be get automatically resolved after the 24 hours to 48 hours. And friends, if you follow all these methods properly, then your issue can be resolved. And friends, if you have any questions or doubt, please comment on this video. Must like and subscribe to our channel to get more interesting and informative videos like this.